Hello, this is EZScape, and I'm going to be showing you useful tricks for speedrunning Khonjin House. Unfortunately, 4 days before the game's release, Khonjin House creator Khonjin Kondo was arrested when he purchased fireworks using a passport forged in the Democratic Republic of the Congo, and he was sentenced to 5 years of the snake, which many believe to be his demise, so the game was never officially released. In order to play Khonjin House, you're going to need to perform Pass Warp, which requires a Nintendo 64 expansion pack and an Australian copy of Paper Mario. The first step is to perform Bloomin' Onion Skip, which is nearly identical to Blue House Skip, with one major exception. When Mario begins his clockwise spin down the pipe, a flag is set to ensure the next loading zone is retrieved directly from the cartridge. The Australian version, however, has Mario spin counterclockwise down the pipe, which ignores the set flag, allowing us to manipulate the next loading zone with the expansion pack. Once in Terminal Field, perform a Cooper Super Jump. If positioned correctly, you will get caught in the moon's gravitational pull, and after building enough inertia, you will travel through time. Whether you go forward or backward in time is dependent on which copy of the game you own. So thanks to our trusty Australian copy, we'll be going back 2 years in time. This is pretty much required for the world record attempts in modern day runs. If successful, you will have traveled far back enough in time for Khonjin to still be among the living. Go directly to his house and take his only copy of the game.
What? You
Depending on RNG, this may trigger a boss fight, which can cost upwards of 7 seconds. Once he's been defeated, pop the disc into your Game Boy Micro. Now we are ready to speedrun Khonjin House. To get world record, you're going to need to hold left. Congrats! You are now tied for world record in Khonjin House.